Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android device supports external drives via USB OTG or direct NVMe connection. This matters because Android needs a hardware path to the SSD. Once done, connect the SSD with a proper USB-C to SATA or NVMe adapter, and if the SSD draws power, use a powered hub to avoid disconnects. Make sure to format the drive as exFAT or ext4 on a PC before use, because compatibility and data safety prevent later transfer headaches. You now mount and configure the SSD so Android recognizes it. Go to Settings, tap Storage, and choose the new drive to mount. This step registers the device with the OS. Once mounted, decide. Adopt the SSD as internal storage to install apps, which encrypts it and ties it to your phone, or keep it portable for media files. Then use a capable file manager or the Files app to move photos, videos, and app caches. This speeds the phone and frees internal storage. You finish by testing real-world use. Launch apps from the SSD if adopted, copy media to verify read/write, and reboot to ensure persistence. If you encounter detection problems, first safely unmount, then try another adapter or a powered hub, and reboot, because many issues stem from the cable, power, or USB mode. Finally, if performance seems slow, verify trim support and reformat with a suitable file system and mount options. This often resolves sluggish transfers and maintains SSD health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.